So, good evening, everyone. I'm Prashant Chetyar, and on behalf of the entire organizing team, it's my pleasure to welcome you all to the final day of the Entrepreneurship Bootcamp, a journey that has been filled with inspiration, insight, and entrepreneurship energy. This bootcamp is an innovative initiative by IEEE Art and ACI Gujarat section in collaboration with IEEE Gujarat section, IEEE Signal Processing Society Gujarat chapter, and IEEE Women in Engineering Gujarat section, with the aim of nurturing innovation and empowering the next generation of the entrepreneurs. So it's a great honor to introduce our speaker for today, Miss Jinisha. With over 13 years of experience in both education and industry, Ms. Jinisha currently leads at the ATL in charge at Navrachna Vidyani Vidyalaya, where she fosters creativity, design thinking, and real world problem solving among young minds. Her background in engineering and Six Sigma enables her to bridge the gap between technical knowledge and classroom innovation. Under her guidance, students have created Navkriti, a peer tutoring app that secured 25 lakhs in funding, developed by Pralay Shamak, a firefighting robot that received 1.5 lakhs in support from the Ministry of Education. Participated in prestigious platforms including the ATL Marathon, SSIP 2.0, WRO Nationals, and Lions Den. Her students and their innovation have been recognized by Times of India, Aaj CNBC, and the Atal Innovation Mission of official platform. She was also honored with the Outstanding Teacher Award 2024 by the Central Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Today, she will be speaking on two powerful themes: managing finances in student startup and design thinking for innovation. As a token of appreciation, ma'am, we are truly honored to have you with us today. As a token of respect and warm welcome, we would now like to present a virtual bouquet on behalf of the entire entrepreneurship bootcamp team.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now, I'll just hand over the session to the ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Prashant, for that um, wide um, introduction. Feels like I've done so much, but I'm still learning, still growing.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, IEEE Chirag sir, for inviting me for this boot camp. As much as it is an opportunity for you all, it is for me as well to interact with such young mindsets, young students, people who are looking forward to open their own business ventures, learn about entrepreneurship. So it is my pleasure, my honor to share a little bit of knowledge that I have with you all today. So as they have mentioned, I work with Atal Tinkering Lab. So, Atal Tinkering Lab is a space where, in school premises, we work with students from grade 5 to 6 up until grade 12 with their innovation, with their inventions, and their projects. And we, as mentors, try to give them direction to, take it forward, make their prototypes, and receive some grants if their project is worthy, and hopefully they take it to the next level, which is having their own startup. So I feel very fortunate to be a part of a small part of that journey, and whatever little insights and experiences that I have will be my pleasure to share with everybody who has joined here on the call today. So if we can go ahead and
Okay, ma'am.
present.
So before we start, everyone please turn on their camera so that we can take a group picture.
Ma'am, take a
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please try to keep your cameras on if possible, so that I have a good interaction And also, I want to keep it interactive. So let's talk to each other instead of me giving all the information and keeping it one-sided. So, and let's try to keep it in Hindi, Gujarati, English, whatever is comfortable, convenient. जो भी है सबके लिए common. I'm okay with any language. So there's no language barrier. It's all about conversation, innovation. सॉरी मुझे थोड़ा आदत है स्कूल की वजह से इंग्लिश में कॉन्वर्जेशन करने की बट आई ट्राई टू डू इट इन हिंदी एंड गुजराती एज वेल as much as I know. So before we start discussing about what entrepreneurship is, there's one little activity that I want all of you to go ahead and do this. It's a 1 minute activity. Very quickly, all of us have played bingo. So this is a bingo about entrepreneurship. So what you have to do is stick out everything that you have done from that bingo. And if you get 5 or 6 ticks, that means you are towards the journey of becoming an entrepreneur. Okay. So Prashant, can we put up a timer and put up that slide? So let's see. And once you have done a minimum of 5, please have your virtual hands raised so that we know how many of you have done it. So can we go to the next slide and see? Okay. So this is your bingo. Things that you have done, please go ahead and quickly just tick for yourself and raise your hands if you have done 5 or 6 out of it. So it's like solving a problem for a friend, used technology, you have used something to promote. So created built something which is digital. So any 5 things or 6 things that you have done from this bingo, you can raise your virtual hands and say like we have done 5, at least 5 things out of it. So then we can see how many of you are going towards becoming an entrepreneur. I'm hoping the last one in the corner in the bottom, everybody's doing that today. Yeah. Took notes during the sessions. Okay, Hensi. So 1 we have. Okay, Tarun. Okay, Mahi. Okay, I think we have, what, 30 more seconds left? Are we giving more time? Okay, the number's going up. We have 12 people now. Okay, Prashant is also raising his hand, so yeah. Great. So this is, I think, talking about the traits or qualities that a founder or entrepreneur has it, and things you might have done in your daily life. ये कुछ ना कुछ इसमें से आपने किया ही होगा अपने डेली लाइफ में, एंड हम रियलाइज नहीं करते हैं जनरली कि अच्छा ये मैंने किया है, बट व्हेन यू सी इट ऑन द पेपर, ओके या ऐसा कुछ किया है मैंने, प्रोजेक्ट ऑर्गेनाइज किए हैं, कॉम्पिटिशन्स ऑर्गेनाइज किए हैं, we've solved a problem which was very छोटा सा problem है, but हाँ हमने solve किया है, we've led a project, we have done campaigns, all of us have done campaigns in schools and colleges. So that is leadership quality. So that is one of the qualities of a founder or an entrepreneur. So I see a lot of people have done it. So we have a lot of founders here with us today or on the verge of becoming a founder, right? So this is a small activity just to break the ice and also to understand कि ये छोटी-छोटी चीजें हैं. These are traits of you having the qualities of a founder or an entrepreneur. So that is something that builds the formula. I mean, it is a formula, that if you have such traits or such qualities, you are a change maker. So intrapreneur is something that everybody is, that people who raise their hands, you are an intrapreneur. You are making changes within the system. आप जिस system में already हैं, वहाँ पे थोड़े बहुत changes कर रहे हैं. Obviously, you are not making a business venture out of it, right? बट आपको अगर उसमें से कोई बिजनेस वेंचर या स्टार्टअप बनाना है, देन या दिस आर द क्वालिटीज दैट यू रिक्वायर. So entrepreneurship is about that. You see a problem, you solve that problem, and you improve it. Keep improving that problem. So you're solving it for yourself, solving it for others. ये entrepreneurship के बारे में आपने I think 3 days में you have gained a lot of knowledge about what entrepreneurship is. With me, it is I'm going at very grassroots level, understanding and how to develop your problem statement or how to develop and go. That is like the very first step for you to have your own startup or go for it. So entrepreneurship is all about the traits that we see. You are a change maker. So can you go to the next slide? Yeah, one more. Yeah, so this is the mindset that I'm talking about. You have to empathize with the user. You have to think critically. You have to try bold ideas and you have to create value where you are. So changing or developing a mindset of becoming an entrepreneur or a founder, ये ऐसी चीज है कि आपके पास ऑलरेडी है. वो स्किल्स आपको थोड़े ब्रश अप करने हैं to reach where you want to. Such skills are already inbuilt. We have that skills. पर आपको एक direction चाहिए, to solve the problem. So first step is you empathize with the user. And I think that is a part of design thinking as well. When we go to design thinking, I think the very first step, empathizing with the user. So empathizing का मतलब है कि आप user के shoes में अपने आप को रख के देखो. Then only you will realize कि problem इतना deep है. प्रॉब्लम क्या है एक्चुअल. किसी और से पूछने से या सर्वे करने से बेहतर है आप यूजर से पूछिए जिनके लिए आप प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना चाहते हैं. सो दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट डिजाइन थिंकिंग इज. एम्पथाइजिंग विद द यूजर. थिंकिंग क्रिटिकली मतलब आप उसको एनालाइज करते हो, प्रॉब्लम को समझते हो, एनालिसिस करने के बाद यू गो टू द सोल्यूशन. Abhi, let's say we take an example, very basic, like common example. We have seen design thinking का नाम आता है तो सबसे पहले आपके दिमाग में टेस्ला के बारे में ही आता है, right? Tesla is a company which is using design thinking exclusively, and that is why वो number 1 है अभी in EV cars. So if we look at their see their journey. General Motors थे जिन्होंने इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल स्टार्ट किए थे फर्स्ट, राइट? they had 2000 cars or something and वो नहीं चले तो they had to recall it. Recall करने के बाद this opportunity was taken by Tesla कि वो नहीं चला तो उन्होंने इस opportunity को लेके and they took it up and that is where they are right now. So what they did was they understood. उन्होंने first pilot build किया, 2000 cars run किए with first model, then they went to model S and they did a lot of design thinking. यूजर की प्रॉब्लम्स को अंडरस्टैंड करते गए एंड इनोवेशन करते गए. सो इट इज नॉट कि आपने एक इनोवेशन कर दिया एंड दैट इज वेयर यू स्टॉप. इट इज लाइक इट्स एन ऑनगोइंग प्रोसेस. आपका जो प्रॉब्लम है आपने सॉल्व किया बट देन इट हैज टू इम्प्रोवाइज. सो दैट इज अ साइकिल दैट यू हैव टू कीप फॉलोइंग एंड इट रिक्वायर्स अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्क टेकिंग. क्योंकि आप रिस्क लोगे, आप बोल्ड आइडियाज का मतलब ही ये है कि आप थोड़ा रिस्क लोगे, ट्राई करोगे, बिल्ड करोगे तो मे बी इट विल वर्क. If you don't take that risk, it is not going to work. Everything is going to be here in your head. So you have to put it from head to something on paper, something that is touch, आप उसको touch करो, आप बनाओ, आप बना के देखो वो बन रहा है, work कर रहा है, and if it is working for you, it will work for others also. So that is something what entrepreneurship is all about. We see very famous examples like Gmail. Gmail के बिना आई थिंक हमारी लाइफ चलती नहीं है आजकल शायद. सो Gmail is something which was created by a Google engineer in his time, which is extra time. 20% of time that he gets, उसमें से उसने innovation create किया Gmail का. Same is with Sony PlayStation or 3M Notes or even Dropbox. Dropbox was also same. वो out of nowhere that innovation just came. And it is something that we use in our daily lives और user की life बहुत आसान कर दी है उन्होंने. So if you have an idea which you think can solve a problem and add value, please go ahead and pursue that. ऐसा नहीं है कि आइडिया है, पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं, ट्राई नहीं करना है. No, give it a try. Maybe it will not work, but who knows, it works. So it is all about your mindset, how you want to bring that change. Can we go to the next slide, please? Next slide. Okay. So जब भी हम मेरे लिए भी था ये चीज, when I hear these buzzwords about that are very famous in the market में, जैसे entrepreneurship है या डिजाइन थिंकिंग है, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग है, ऐसे वर्ड्स सुन के ही मुझे लगता है कि ये नहीं पढ़ना है, मुझे बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा समझने के लिए. बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट पीपल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. ये डिजाइन थिंकिंग है, हम ये टेक्निक्स यूज कर रहे हैं, वो टेक्निक्स यूज कर रहे हैं. डिजाइन थिंकिंग इज वेरी 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 सिंपल. It's a very basic tool, and design thinking is something which you should be using in your daily lives also to solve the problems. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप entrepreneurship कर रहे हैं या कोई business venture कर रहे हैं इसीलिए आपको design thinking use करना है. No, it's not about that. Design thinking, I'll give you a very simple and very interesting example about design thinking, and I'll go through the phases also. So I teach this as a skill module to 6th graders. 6th, 7th and 8th graders. So what happens is, same aapki tarah hi, when I had a class with them, had a conversation with them, I went and I was like, design thinking hai. These are 5 phases of design thinking: empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test. And blank face, like really blank faces. And I was like, ab kya karu? How do I execute this that I have to teach them? So what happened is, we took up a very basic problem. So I want you to understand that design thinking आप कहीं पे भी use कर सकते हैं, and it's a very simple tool. So we have common assemblies over the week, like Thursdays or Fridays को common assembly होता है हमारा. So common assembly में during the summers what happens is we see a lot of children who are about to faint or who don't are not able to take up the sun when they are waiting in the ground. ठीक है. So हमने बोला कि why these people are, lot of students are fainting. So then we started talking to children and we tried to talk to them and understand करने की कोशिश करी, and then we came up with a problem कि they don't have a breakfast in the morning. They usually skip breakfast and they don't have a breakfast and come in the morning. So then we thought, why not do this with design thinking? So to cut long story short, we empathized with them. We tried understanding their problem. Am I audible?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
yeah, sorry. I thought there was some issue with the connection. Okay, so we empathized with them. We understood their problem. Problem जब समझ रहे थे तब समझ में आया कि proper plan नहीं करते हैं वो अपना day. So what happens is their backpack, their homework, last minute submissions, everything happens in the morning before they come to the school. And so they are compromising with their breakfast. And so we define the problem कि हाँ ये problem है because organized नहीं है इसके लिए they are not able to have the breakfast in the morning. Ideation का था कि they wrote breakfast logs, they worked with the breakfast log, they tested it, they wrote it for a lot of days. So they realized the problem is them having a proper organization in their work. And that is how they found the solution. So from this, applying this to very basic things in your life, to we go to Netflix ka problem, or we can go to Tesla's problem again. Same is with Netflix. If I take up example of Netflix, they were DVD rentals, right? So they empathize with the user क्योंकि DVD rent करने के लिए वो DVD rentals उनको वो post box में रखने पड़ते थे, and it used to take a longer period of time, and movie available नहीं होते थे when they wanted to rent. So ये problem definition उन्होंने identify किया, ideate किया, पर ideate जब किया उन्होंने तो they got it to online. First phase was they went online. Online उनका user interface अच्छा नहीं था, but still they went online. And then they created a prototype which was a working online subscription model. And then after testing, they are, I think, number one in the world right now, providing ample number of movies and a lot of AI is included in it, you know, so it gives you suggestions what you want to watch and things like that. So design thinking is just a tool to help you. And it's a very simple tool. आपको एक structured तरीका दिखाता है design thinking to reach to your problem, understanding of the problem, definition of your problem, and going to prototype and testing phase. So that is a tool that is giving you a proper structure. So ये आप किसी भी चीज के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं, especially when you have any idea that you want to convert that to a business venture. So that is something where you require a lot of detailing, and that detailing can come with design thinking. And design thinking has a lot of tools and techniques. So जैसे I'll just give one small example. Empathize phase है. तो empathize phase में there are a lot of techniques such as observation. आप observe करो problem को. इंटरव्यू टेक्निक है, आप इंटरव्यू करो यूजर को. क्वेश्चनिंग टेक्निक है, आप क्वेश्चन करो यूजर को. देन देयर गैम्बा वॉक, आप प्रॉब्लम के पास जाके देखो तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है. यू स्टे देयर. टाइम स्टडीज करो, तो आप टाइम स्टडीज करेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा. सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ योर प्रॉब्लम, understanding the reach of your problem so that you understand the customers, your market, your target market. That is very crucial when you define a problem statement. जितना क्लियर प्रिसाइज आपका प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है, उतना ही बेटर आपका सोल्यूशन होगा. इफ यू हैव अ गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ योर प्रॉब्लम, then only you'll be able to find a good solution. And this tool of design thinking is something which is going to help you reach to a very detailed, very precise, very crisp problem statement. And that is why it is important for you to understand how to utilize this tool. Very simple, 5 phases. It has empathize, define, ideate, prototype and testing. Ideation, prototyping and testing हम वैसे भी करते हैं जब हम कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं. Empathize and define is something which is adding value to the last 3 phases. अगर first 2 phases आपके better है, properly defined है, तो last 3 phases आप अच्छे से execute कर सकते हैं. That is what design thinking is about. We'll look at some examples. So if you go to the next slide. So this is a very simple gist of what design thinking is. You build what people really need. ऐसे innovations भी हैं where you know innovations are ideas can come up in any form. तो innovations करते हैं लोग. Not necessarily वो जरूरी है for the users. You know there is a difference. Innovation हमेशा like you know you got an idea and you've innovated something, but maybe you don't have market for it. Then what's the point of innovating? आप उस innovation का करोगे क्या अगर वो sellable नहीं है market में? So build what people really need. आप ऐसा problem address करो जो सच्ची में solution लाने के बाद उस चीज का कोई फायदा है, कोई value add है. Somebody is going to use that. तो उस innovation का कोई value add बनेगा. Second one, very important, very critical, very crucial. Fail fast, learn fast. हमारी बहुत पुरानी आदत है कि हम एक चीज को लेके बैठ जाते हैं, हम तब भी करेंगे जब परफेक्ट होगा. That is not how it works. We don't need perfect solutions. We need solutions. Perfection धीरे धीरे आता है. जब आप टेस्टिंग करोगे, then you get feedback from the user, then you change, then you know. तो first prototype बनता है, you release that first prototype. Let it go to the market. 50 users है, 100 users है, handful of users, people who you know, just release it, let them use it. Once you fail, then you learn faster कि अच्छा हाँ ये problem है, इसको fix करके, that is your revision too. So that is very important. Also when you create your business, very very important, it should be user centric. Supporting the first statement. अगर कोई user नहीं है आपका, user centric नहीं रखोगे तो वो long term नहीं चल सकता, right? आप एक मास एक ऑडियंस है आपकी जिसके लिए आप कर रहे हो, अगर वो ऑडियंस की नीड्स को नहीं समझ के बनाओगे तो वो नहीं चलेगा. Let's say we'll take example of Nokia. They built phones. All of us used to love it, right? Good quality phones. They did not break and things like that. लेकिन जैसे technology advance हुई, they were not able to keep up with the technology. So they have the competitors in the market who took over the market. Nobody buys Nokia now, but they were number one company. But it's just that they couldn't adapt to the needs of the user. Same with BlackBerry. Couldn't adapt. वो अपना वो numbers वाला वो keypad नहीं छोड़ना चाह रहे थे. So touchscreen में nobody wants to use that. Now we have touchscreen phones. So people are buying those phones and they couldn't keep up. So now they are not a part of the larger market. But look at Apple comparatively. Every year they are releasing a new version. I don't know what changes they make. वो identify भी नहीं कर पाता user. But नया version है Apple का है, we want to buy. Must be something good. Must be something new. And there must be. I don't know. But yeah, they are number one right now because user centric hai wo. So that is important. Innovate continuously, that we know by to meet the needs of the user. So design thinking plays a very crucial role when you are defining your problem statement, when you want to start your journey as an entrepreneur. If you are new to this, I would recommend you to go ahead and use design thinking for your problem solving. At least go to the first phase. At least release first prototype. That is going to give you a good structure and a good hold on your product also. क्योंकि आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत अच्छी होगी. आप जितना डेप्थ में जाएंगे अपने प्रॉब्लम को समझने में उतना बेटर सोल्यूशन आप ला सकते हैं. एंड डिजाइन थिंकिंग इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अचीव दैट. Can we go to the next slide, please? So once if I'm going too fast, you can let me know. We can talk, interact. I can answer a few questions, and then we can go ahead and take up other topic. And if not, then I can continue. Good to go? Okay. So we've problem statement है, कुछ idea था आपके पास जो आपने define किया, and we've reached to दो तीन idea थे, उसमें से we've narrowed down and we have come to this is what we want to solve. Now solving something in a very generic way is not going to help you have a successful venture. आपको कुछ ना कुछ specific value add देना पड़ेगा with your product. So that is your USP or UVP, which is very important when you go ask for grants for fundings. क्योंकि सबसे पहले जो भी आपका इन्वेस्टर है वो सबसे पहले first question they ask you is what is your USP, what is your UVP. So USP is your unique selling proposition and UVP is your unique value proposition. So selling part है यानी आपका कोई प्रोडक्ट है, तो अगर आपका कोई प्रोडक्ट है तो उसका यूएसपी होगा, आपकी कोई सर्विस है तो उसका यूवीपी होगा. So these are the two things you have to define when you begin planning your business model. आपका ideation phase है, आपने अपना idea, अपना problem statement, अपना solution, you've already drafted that. But after drafting that, it is very important to identify the USP of your product. So if you have the USP of your product, that is your, that is something that is going to build your business, or that is something that is going to get you funds or grants, or that is something that is going to keep you in the market. आप उसके बेसिस पे ही मार्केट में ग्रो कर सकते हैं अगर आपके पास कोई यूएसपी है which is different from your competitors, something that is unique that you are providing in your business. So for example, if we take Canva, I think everybody is using Canva these days, and I'm in love with Canva because it is very user friendly and it solves all the problems that we have regarding designing. Because मुझे नहीं लगता मैं Photoshop अभी सीख सकती हूँ at this point of time. Photoshop सीखना is very difficult to even design flyers है या कुछ भी है. But Canva is so convenient, आप videos है, photographs, कुछ भी design कर सकते हैं. And so easy, just drag and drop. It is very user friendly. So their USP is drag and drop design tool. and free templates they have available, so you don't even have to think a lot. थोड़े templates है, उसमें से आपने select किया, आपने design किया और आपने बना दिया, very simple. And their UVPs, anybody can create a professional design, at least basic professional design हम बना ही सकते हैं with Canva. So that is why it is one of the most used tool, I can say. And from very beginner level से लेके very advanced level. So look at the range of customers they have, from beginner to advanced, and any age group. Age group भी नहीं है, because user friendly है. They have a phone app also. They have website also. So this is all their USP, UVP. I don't know. Can anybody name any other software like Canva? I don't think I can name any other software like Canva. Because it is like one of the best tool that you can use for designing things. और ये उनका USP है. ये उन्होंने ऐसे डिजाइन किया है. ये उन्होंने समझा, क्योंकि जब Photoshop सब लोग नहीं सीख सकते Photoshop. So why not make something which is user friendly? So after you, like, first step was, you have an idea. You have an idea. With that idea, try to use design thinking, empathize with the user. You're defining your problem statement. So idea, defining your problem statement. आपने problem statement define किया. Problem statement define करने के बाद you found a solution. This is what something we want to do. तो जब आप solution find करते हैं, always keep in mind to have USP and UVP. Not necessary आपका जो भी product है दोनों चीजें provide करे. It can either have a USP or UVP. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. आप कोई service industry का कोई product बना रहे हैं, might be just UVP, might not be a product. You're not selling anything as a product. So either or can also happen. It can have both, just like Canva. So once you define the problem, you define a solution. When you are defining a solution, make sure you know what the USP is, what the UVP is. क्योंकि आपके product में कोई भी invest करेगा, so they are going to ask for this. So for creating your business plan also, business plan को भी आपका USP या UVP drive करेगा, right? So can you go to the next slide, please? These are some famous examples. Airbnb, all of us know, they started by understanding the needs of the travelers. मतलब availability नहीं होती थी hotels की, very expensive hotels, at home वाला feeling नहीं आता था. So they picked up that points. That is their USP, and that is how they are making good business. Same is with Uber. Taxi rental services थे, but not everything in one app. So they have auto, they have bikes, they have taxis, and all different kinds, EVs and whatnot. So many solutions in just one app. Very easy to track. Canva, we've already talked about. This is one project that we've already, Prashant had mentioned in the beginning, that we got funded for. So Navkriti was one of the apps that we got funded for. And they, this is, ये school students के app था. जैसे some of our students participate करते हैं, and they are out for a week. तो उनके पास notes नहीं है, उनके पास study material नहीं है जो पढ़ाया था. तो उन्होंने peer tutoring app बनाया था, जिसमें वो ये materials upload करते थे और अपने classmates को पढ़ाते थे. So this is also one of the app that they created. So these are a few examples of the success stories that we have seen. And I bet you if you go and learn about these or study about these, they have used a lot of principles of design thinking. क्योंकि वो अच्छे से structure देता है आपके thought process को. Can you go to the next slide, please? This we can do later on. I can share this template. This is just details about Airbnb. It's a case study. It can be shared with the people who have joined. So we can skip this here. Okay, so we have idea, problem statement, solution, USP, UVP. अभी ये critical one-page tool है. This tool which we have students or pitchers जो pitch करते हैं अपने business idea को, उनसे ये बनवाते हैं, because ये requirement है. जब अपनी idea pitch करने आप जाओगे, तो they ask for a business model. So this business model canvas is a tool which you can use for creating a business template of your model. So this will address everything that you will require. जब आप इन्वेस्टर के पास जाएंगे तो आपको वो पूछेंगे कि आपके टारगेट कस्टमर्स कौन है, कैसे पैसे कमाएंगे, व्हाट आर योर चैनल्स ऑफ रेवेन्यू, फिर आपका पैसा जाएगा कहाँ पे, कितने महीने में जाएगा, कितने महीने तक आपको क्या क्या पैसे चाहिए, फिर व्हाट आर योर चैनल्स ऑफ रेवेन्यू, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सो इट इज अ स्मॉल टेम्पलेट जो आपको भी अपने बिजनेस के बारे में अच्छी अंडरस्टैंडिंग देगा एंड इन्वेस्टर को भी देगा. तो इसके बेसिस पे ना इन्वेस्टर जज कर सकता है कि आपके बिजनेस में वो कितने पैसे इन्वेस्ट करने चाहिए उनको. सो दिस इज अ स्मॉल एक्सरसाइज. आपको अगर करना भी है मेरे साथ, व्हेन आई एम गोइंग थ्रू दिस, you can do this with me. If somebody has any idea which you want to share and all of us can take up that, और आप अपने आइडिया के लिए इसको स्क्रिबल करके अपने, इफ यू हैव अ पीस ऑफ पेपर एंड पेन, यू कैन डू इट अलोंग विथ मी. आपके पास कोई आइडिया है तो just do a sample one if you wish to do with me. So this business model canvas is a very generic tool. It is available online. Google करोगे आपको मिल जाएगा. कोई invention innovation नहीं है इसमें मेरा. It's a very basic template. It is used क्योंकि ये सब मांगते हैं जब हम पिचिंग करने जाते हैं इन्वेस्टर के पास, तो they ask for your business model. So this is a template which you can share and I'll quickly go through that template. इसमें क्या क्या चीजें हैं जो आपको ऐड करनी चाहिए. If you have any idea that you want to pitch for a startup or for investment or for funds or for grants, even for that, you will still require a business model. So it is a one-page tool and it is going to tell you, it has 9 steps and those 9 steps we'll just go through once. If you go to the next slide, please. This can be used when you have, which I already said, a problem and a solution. तो आप तब यूज कर सकते हो जब आप प्रोटोटाइप बना रहे हो और पिच करने जाना है, फंडिंग के लिए जाना है, रेवेन्यू मॉडल जनरेट करना है. यू कैन मेक दिस मॉडल एंड दिस कैन बी यूज्ड एनीवेयर. इसमें से भी आप अपना लाइक 10 पेजेस का जो बिजनेस मॉडल बनाएंगे इसके बेसिस पे भी बना सकते हैं. दिस इज अ वेरी इजी स्नैपशॉट. ग्रांट्स के लिए, फर्स्ट लेवल प्रोटोटाइप के लिए, प्रूफ ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए दिस इज इनफ. You don't need to create 5-10 pages का business model. This should suffice. अगर आप अपने आइडिया को ग्रांट्स के लिए भी सबमिट करते हैं, business canvas model is more than enough for you to submit. Can we go to the next slide, please? Okay, so there are 9 elements. First one is customer segments. So who are you helping? जो आपके target customers है. Prashant, we will have to go back and forth if you're okay with that. So next slide has an example.
Sure, ma'am. No issue.
Yeah, so this is an example, very generic. I took it from Google. ये Netflix का business model है, and so that you understand what I'm trying to say. So first one was your customer segment. So the one that you see on your right or left, sorry, my right. Customer segment, so their customer segment is mass market. There is no limit for their customers. Second is value proposition. So what problem are you solving? So if you see value proposition unka hai on demand video. They are giving on demand video, huge content. They have a lot of movies. They have original content also जो Netflix की खुद की produced series है, movies है, and competitive price point. Their subscription model is very cheap. So that is their value add to when they are pitching it. ठीक है. Channels. तो आप कैसे reach करोगे? So channels is through website. They have mobile applications. Netflix का है. So you can go through that. And partners, whoever has partnered with them. Then fourth one is customer relationship. So how will you keep them engaged? So self-service platform hai, it is, you can use it on your own, right? So customer relationship koi issue nahi hai because it is operated by them. Then we go to next one, which is revenue streams. So how are they going to earn money? So that is subscription models, revenue streams. Key resources. So what tools or skills they want to use. So the key resources are streaming rights, hai, internet bandwidth, hai, recommendation algorithm है, content library है. So all these are their key resources. Key activities. So what are the core actions? तो उनके key activities है that they have to procure the content. जो भी movies वगैरह है वो licensing करना पड़ेगा, and they have to procure from the originator of the movie. And also application development, जो उनका app है, तो website है, app है, वो develop करना पड़ेगा. And it has to be user friendly, so they have to keep updating it, and their third party licensing. So that is the key activity that they have. Key partners, so जैसे suppliers है, collaborators है, so यहाँ पे internet service providers है and third party studios है जो उनके साथ collaborate कर रहे हैं. And the last one is cost structure. So आपके major expenses क्या है? So if you see the cost structure, तो in-house जो content production है, जैसे Netflix की खुद की series है, तो they require cost. Third party licensing के लिए cost चाहिए, और streaming के लिए जो भी rights है, regulations है. So for that they will require cost. So ये बहुत basic structure है for an investor. अगर मैं investor हूँ तो इसे देख के मुझे समझ में आएगा कि this is their flow of the process and this is how it is going to go. तो मुझे as an investor पैसा कहाँ invest करना पड़ेगा और कितना पैसा invest करना पड़ेगा. So I hope this is something which is doable, मतलब इतना difficult नहीं है करने के लिए. And if you see these templates are available online also, तो आप थोड़े refer करके भी इसको बना सकते हो. And from here you can make your business model. जैसे पैसे के बारे में या timeline के बारे में जब आपको बताना है, a detailed business plan. So from here you can go to that business model. Can you go to the next slide, please? Okay, so we had idea, we had problem statement, we had solution. Solution के बाद we thought कि इसमें पैसा कहाँ invest करना है, we want to put it on the grant. So हमने क्या किया कि we tried to understand कि business model कैसे बनाते हैं. So we took up a template of business model. And you know, आप you have seen movies and you have seen Shark Tank. Mostly सबने थोड़ा बहुत तो देखा ही होगा. तो जब भी हम जैसे शार्क टैंक वगैरह में जाते हैं, एंड इवन व्हेन आई टेक माय चिल्ड्रन और स्टूडेंट्स फॉर पिचिंग सेशंस, तो आपने ये वर्ड सुना होगा कि एलिवेटर पिच क्या है आपकी. सो दैट एलिवेटर पिच इज जस्ट टू यू नो, इट इज लाइक 30 सेकेंड्स में आप अपने प्रोडक्ट को, अपने बिजनेस आइडिया को कैसे इफेक्टिवली बता सकते हो. सो दिस केम फ्रॉम लाइक अगर आपको कोई इन्वेस्टर है, लेट्स से इलॉन मस्क मिलता है आपको कहीं एलिवेटर पे या ऑन द गो, एंड 30 सेकेंड्स में आपको अपना आइडिया पिच करना है, तो यू शुड बी एबल टू डू इट. क्योंकि बड़े बड़े आइडियाज ऐसे भी आइडियाज हैं जो सिर्फ एलिवेटर पिच पे दे हैव गॉट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, एंड सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स आर ड्रॉपबॉक्स. आई थिंक वन मोर एग्जांपल वाज उबर. एलिवेटर पिच के बेसिस पे उनको इन्वेस्टमेंट मिला है. सो एलिवेटर पिच इज द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव वे फॉर यू टू डिफाइन योर बिजनेस. सी ये सारे वर्ड्स जो मैं बोल रही हूँ, जैसे बिजनेस मॉडल कैनवस है, एलिवेटर पिच है, ये सारे रिक्वायरमेंट्स है आपके लिए जब आप अपना आइडिया पिच करने जाते हो ग्रांट के लिए या फंड के लिए. सो ये सारी चीजें आपसे मांगी जाती है. सो आई एम जस्ट गिविंग अ ब्रीफ आइडिया कि उसका मतलब क्या है. जैसे बिजनेस मॉडल आपसे कोई मांगेगा तो that was a business model that you create and you share with them. तो उसके basis पे वो decide कर सकते हैं. Elevator pitch is something they ask you to give elevator pitch 2-3 minutes में या 30 seconds में या 60 seconds में. तो you should be able to define. So this is a winning formula कि we help जिसको हम help करते हैं to जो ये problem face करते हैं और उनको ये solution दे रहे हैं क्योंकि उनको benefit कर रहा है. Very simple 4 things that you have to identify just in 1 minute, and that is your elevator pitch. So that is something you should always prepare your elevator pitch also जब आप अपना business idea pitch करना चाहते हैं for funds or for grants. Elevator pitch is also very crucial, very important. And if you go to the next slide, so you know, you enter a lift and you meet Anupam Mittal for 30 seconds, and if you have to pitch, so I've just given an example कि Airbnb वाला ही जो हमने देखा था. So who face this problem? तो travelers face ये help करते हैं travelers को. क्या कि उनके पास होटल के options नहीं है, उनके पास बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होटल्स है, सो दे नीड टू गेट चीपर वंस. एट होम वाला फीलिंग चाहिए, तो ये अफोर्डेबल प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, होमली प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, एंड यूनिक प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. So that is a very simple elevator pitch that they created. So up for you, if you have your own business, very imperative, very crucial for you also to have your elevator pitch ready. So whenever you meet an investor, you can pitch your idea. And see, this investor thing is also something like थोड़ा बहुत networking आपको participations आप करते हो, networking करते हो. So whenever you go network, that is when you know pitch your idea. And who knows, कोई investor आपको मिल जाए and आपका idea उनको अच्छा लगे, and probably he wants to pitch into your idea. So you should always be ready with your elevator pitch. Okay, I've done a lot of talking, and I don't want you all to be bombarded with a lot of information. So we are going to do some fun stuff, a little small activity. So this is your activity, and I want you to unmute and tell me, okay? इसके बाद your answers. So started up emoji edition. इसका मतलब है I will have 3 emojis, and वो emoji देख के आपको मुझे एक आइडिया देना है एलिवेटर पिच जैसा, कि ये इमोजीज जो है उनको यूज करके हम क्या प्रोडक्ट बना सकते हैं और या क्या स्टार्टअप बना सकते हैं बेस्ड ऑन जस्ट द इमोजीज दैट आई शो यू. ओके, सो कैन वी डू द फर्स्ट वन, प्रशांत? ओके, so it's a scooter, it's a emoji. Okay. What idea or what startup can you make with these 3 icons? You can raise your hand, so I think Prashant can unmute you and you can say.
Ma'am, the mic permission is open for everyone.
Sorry?
The mic permission is open for everyone.
Okay, yeah. So first one is a scooter, a phone, and energy. So what kind of startup can we make these with these 3 items? Just think and just come up with the idea कि ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं. Anything with these 3 emojis, or just the 2 of them. Yeah, Joseph.
Ma'am, we can create a movable bicycle, electric bicycle for a college campus.
Great, wonderful idea. And then we can connect it with phone.
We
Ma'am.
can we can make application, so we can cut the payment जितना हम use करें
Use
उतना.
कर रहे हैं. Wonderful, great idea. Great idea. We can, Prashant, can we go to the next one? Anybody else wants to pitch in for the first one?
We can also make same as bike like Ola.
We can do that too. Yes, that's a good idea. Okay, second one, we have a robot, brain, and an elderly person. Yes, Ayush?
Yeah, ma'am. So what we can do, we can make a robot that can help old man for Alzheimer's or
Very
kind of a disease that he can be assisted.
great. That's great. Anybody else? Joseph again?
Ma'am, we can make a robot with AI algorithm
Okay.
that help a older person or who help their daily life routines or etc.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. So we
We
have.
can
Go ahead.
we
sorry.
can also make a robot like a Sophia who can help old man and our grandfather and all that.
Good. That's good. Yes. Happy? Raised his hand. Okay. I think we can go to the next one.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Go ahead, Ram. Rudra.
Yeah, ma'am, we can make a robot which we can use to measure the neural activities of people who are elder in age.
Yes.
So we can help them with the disease like Alzheimer or neurodegenerative diseases.
Yeah, great. Rudra?
A robot which can be used through human brain.
Okay, using AI.
Yes.
Okay, great. Yeah, क्योंकि ऑप्शन ही तीन है ना हमारे पास, रोबोट, ब्रेन एंड एल्डर. So yeah, that's good. So see, with just 3 icons, we have a lot of ideas with only just 3 icons. We got already what, 5 ideas with this? It is interesting, interesting. Can we go to the next one, Prashant? Okay, that is a packaging box, a helicopter, and a hospital. Yes, Ayush.
So we can make a logistics company that delivers the critical organs for transplant that
Okay,
is critical to move between locations in a certain time. So we
great,
can make a startup for.
great. Yes, what's sir?
Well, we can make a drone so we can transport faster without any traffic.
Great.
हेलो
Rob? Yeah.
या तो मैम जो मेडिकल है
Hmm.
तो जो कस्टमर है अथवा जो भी पेशेंट्स है उनको है ना जो दवाई की रिक्वायरमेंट है वो
हाँ,
खुद जाने की बजाय ड्रोन
हाँ.
की हेल्प लेके अपने जो मेडिसिन है वो मेडिकल से अपने होम तक ला सकते हैं.
Great. और we can use, जैसे यहाँ पे बड़ौदा में भी फ्लड आया था, तो at that time also we can use things like this, है ना?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, good.
Yeah.
Can we go to the next one? Sure. Okay, this is water, battery, sun. Water, energy, we can say, and sun. Satyajit? Okay. Joseph. Okay, Joseph.
We can make a renewable energy park or something that
We can make energy
get
park. Yeah.
energy source from water or sun that convert into electrical
Electrical
energy.
energy. Wonderful. Kashmira? And Satyajit, I think.
Ma'am, we can
Sir.
make. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Ma'am, we can make like some devices using AI or something that can help us drink more and more water
Water.
during summer seasons like
Yeah.
that.
It's a very good idea.
Ma'am,
Satyajit?
we make a energy water park and sun and batteries हम use करके
Hmm.
हम
That's
सोलर पैनल का यूज करके भी हम एनर्जी
conversion कर सकते हैं.
कन्वर्जन कर सकते हैं.
See, wonderful. That's wonderful. Great job, everybody. I mean, this is very impromptu, and उसके बाद भी we were able to, identify a lot of ideas. And ऐसा भी नहीं है कि existing ideas थे. So I'm hoping from this batch we will see a couple of startups coming up, after the session. So this was just a very small activity for us to understand that idea generation कहीं से भी हो सकता है, with very minimalistic things also. The important part is like after you have an idea, how to convert that into a prototype or how to convert that into a working model. That is important. And these are the skills that you are going to use, to convert that to a working model. Can we go to the next slide? How much time do we have?
Ma'am, we have more 30 minutes.
Okay, we do, right? Yeah, because I don't want to miss out on the grants. This is a very brief summary of the steps that we have gone through so far. So you will have to keep clicking with me. Or you can just go ahead and click all. Sorry, मैंने थोड़े अपने presentation के skills दिखा दिए हैं आज. Keep going. So you will have an executive. You can keep going, Prashant, and I'll keep talking. First thing is you will have executive summary of your problem statement, your solution. सोल्यूशन के बाद आप बिजनेस मॉडल, जब आप सोल्यूशन डिजाइन भी करते हैं, दैट टाइम यू मेक श्योर यू हैव योर यूएसपी एंड यूवीपी सो दैट यू नो व्हाट इज द यूनिक सेलेक्ट पॉइंट ऑफ योर प्रोडक्ट. जब आप अब this much process is your, like you have defined all of this, then you create a business model. So with business model you will know what your target customers are. You will have a template which is your implementation plan. जैसे आपके पास वो thought process होना चाहिए कि within a year मुझे इसको launch करना है. So within that year, like 1 month में मुझे क्या करना है, 3 months में मुझे क्या करना है, वो milestones भी आपको define करने पड़ेंगे. सो वो माइलस्टोन्स डिफाइन करोगे तब जाके आपका जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो उसका रिटर्न मिलेगा आपको, इफ यू रीच द माइलस्टोन्स और इफ यू हैव अ प्रॉपर टाइमलाइन दैट यू आर गोइंग टू फॉलो. Okay, so this business plan template is just a brief overview of the process that you have to go through in order to go for the start, like the grants or the funds that you require to convert it from your idea to a prototype or a pilot build or proof of concept. We can go to the next slide quickly. Very basic, simple template है ये. I can share all of these templates with you later on. Timeline का जो template है, so आपको अगर कोई ऐप बना रहे हैं तो प्लेटफॉर्म डेवलपमेंट के लिए कितना टाइम चाहिए, so maybe 1 to 3 months. ऑनबोर्डिंग के लिए कितना चाहिए, 2 to 4 months. मार्केटिंग के लिए once the product is ready you are going to require 3 to 6 months. लॉन्च के लिए 6+ months. So if you have this timeline defined properly, it is easy for you to reach the goal, meet the targets, and that is very important for you to launch. क्योंकि जब आप इन्वेस्टर से पैसा लोगे, when you are taking the money, they will always ask कि आप इसको लॉन्च कब करोगे, और जब आप लॉन्च टाइम पे नहीं कर पाओगे, you will require more money because you are not able to release the product on time. So that is where the issues will start. कि हमने इतना इन्वेस्ट किया था, आपने बोला था इतना टाइम फ्रेम में करना है. So it is necessary कि आपके पास एक टाइमलाइन है जिसको आपको फॉलो करना है, and with that timeline you are going to release your product or your first pilot build. This is a sample budget plan. जैसे list down things that you will do, activities that you are, जो हमने business plan में भी देखा कि key activities क्या है. So for that key activities कितना पैसा लगेगा वो भी important है for you to identify. जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म डेवलपमेंट, अगर आईटी कंपनी है या कोई ऐप है, सबसे ज्यादा कॉस्ट उसमें ही लगता है. लाइक प्लेटफॉर्म डेवलपमेंट इज हाईएस्ट कॉस्ट आइटम, 6 lakhs है. फिर लाइसेंसिंग है, वेरिफिकेशंस है. तो पायलट बिल बनाने के लिए भी अगर इंडस्ट्रियल रिक्वायरमेंट्स है तो वो बनाने के लिए भी आपको पैसा लगेगा या कॉस्ट लगेगा. सो इट इज नेसेसरी कि आप वो सारा कॉस्ट ब्रेक डाउन भी लिख के रखें, अपने बिजनेस प्लान में बनाएं, so that when you are getting the money or when you are getting the grant, you know where to use it. क्योंकि ग्रांट के लिए आप अप्लाई भी कर लोगे, अगर आपको पता नहीं है कि आपको पैसा यूज कहाँ करना है, grant is going to wave off in a year or 2 years. So it's better if you have a proper understanding of your business कि आपको कहाँ पे यूज करना है पैसा, तो वो पहले आइडेंटिफाई करना जरूरी है, so that you can make the best use of the grant or the fund that you get to make it to a company. Can we go to the next slide? Okay, so this जो सारा definition, problem, solution, all of that I've discussed reaches to the real deal, which is getting finances. So आपने अपना प्रोटोटाइप बना लिया. अब प्रोटोटाइप बनाया मतलब जिसको पहचानते थे, उनकी फैक्ट्री थी, फैक्ट्री में जाके थोड़ा बहुत हमने ये आयन लिया, वो आयन लिया, कुछ भी करके बना लिया. And if you are making an app, MIT से बनाया या Thunkable से बनाया, whatever you are, platforms that you are using that are working, but still it is not a workable solution. आप इसको दिखा नहीं सकते किसी को या यूज नहीं करवा सकते, right? So once you have the business plan ready, प्रोटोटाइप भी बनाया है, अगर आपने बनाया है तो, प्रोटोटाइप नहीं भी बनाया है, आपके पास कोई प्रूफ है, आइडिया है, प्रूफ ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट है, after that you are going to require money. So the next step is you request for grant or you request for funds. So there are multiple agencies where you can apply take your idea, you can apply and you can request for funds and you can request for grants. So अगर आप student हैं तो you have more possibilities of getting funds faster because उसके लिए special grants assign की गई है. And if you are non-student तो भी startups के लिए भी बहुत सारे grants है available in the market. So today what I'm going to talk about is the local entities within Baroda and also entities that we see in Gujarat that we have applied, we have worked with and things that I know about them. So आपके पास अगर कोई आइडिया है तो आप उनके पास अपना आइडिया सबमिट करके उनसे रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं फंड्स के लिए, ग्रांट्स के लिए. So आपको अगर प्रोटोटाइप बनाना है तो इफ यू आर अ स्टूडेंट, अगर ATL labs है which is I don't know if we have that audience here, school students, so they go to ATL labs where I work. तो हमारे पास ATL labs है जिनके पास grants है, वो उसके लिए अप्लाई करते हैं, which is अटल टिंकरिंग लैब. अटल टिंकरिंग लैब्स का अटल इनोवेशन सेंटर है, AIC. That AICs are present in two entities in Gujarat. One is GUSEC, which is in Ahmedabad, and one is GTU, which is the engineering college. तो आप उसके थ्रू अप्लाई कर सकते हैं and they give you grant of 25,000 rupees first grant to build your proof of concept, which is available to all the students who are registered. So आप ये दो entities के पास अपना first prototype build करने के लिए 25,000 rupees वो avail कर सकते हैं आपके prototype के लिए या proof of concept के लिए. So you can contact these two entities, GUSEC and GTU. Then when you want to apply for funds, if you are a student, if you go to the next slide, Prashant, I have a list of grants. Okay. So these are some programs which are there in Baroda, which have the facility to provide you grants or mentorship or even guide you where you need to go to apply for your grants and funds. So TIE Baroda करके है. I don't know if you have heard about it. If not, they have their website and a lot of startups have been funded through TIE Baroda. So आप उन पे register कर सकते हो. Register करके you can ask for mentorship. They have programs like hackathons. They have programs like pitching sessions. They also have programs for women owned businesses. So अगर आपका only women है या one of them is women, you can apply for that. So it is also for 18 plus students. आप उसमें apply कर सकते हैं and you can get grants for your startup. TIE Baroda also has university programs. So local universities के साथ भी tie up है उनका. So आप उसके through भी apply कर सकते हैं with your institute wherever you are as a student. Then eChai Baroda करके हैं. They have a lot of demo days जहाँ पे आप जाके अपना पिच कर सकते हैं. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे फंडर्स आते हैं, बहुत सारे इन्वेस्टर्स आते हैं, not only just to invest, but they come there, they have this get together जहाँ पे वो बताते हैं कि आपको अपने प्रोडक्ट को ऐसे बनाना चाहिए. So it's good mentor if you wish to. So you can join that. iHub Gujarat, which is in Ahmedabad. So you can join that as well. iHub में भी आप अपने ideas लेके जा सकते हैं. eVentures also work with iHub. So you can take your ideas to iHub. They also provide grants up to 20 to 20 lakhs for your startups. And they have a lot of bifurcation. जैसे agriculture के लिए अलग है. If you have an idea, then not the expertise. Okay, we can answer the questions after the session. I'll quickly go through the grants and then we can take up the questions. SSIP, which is Student Innovation Policy, that is also for students. आप उसमें भी apply कर सकते हैं. And for SSIP, the age limit is 35, and there are like पहले prototype के लिए 25,000 है, then 2 lakhs है, then 10 lakhs है, then 25 lakhs है. So there are different variations also. आपके product के business के stage के हिसाब से they fund you. Okay, GTU, which I have already talked, which is Gujarat University. Can we go to the next slide, please? Okay, these are all local. Huh? This is all situated in Baroda. iHub is in Ahmedabad. Navrachna University has an incubation center. Parul University has, MS University has, and I think a few more universities. Universities have their own incubation centers. So अगर आप university में PhD student तक भी हैं, you can go to that incubation center, submit your idea and request for funds from there. So 25,000 तो वो लोग आपको दे ही सकते हैं under SSIP policy to develop your prototype. And then as and when like evaluation hoga, and when they decide, they can give you funds as and when they feel like कि ये stage में हो आप तो इतने पैसे दे सकते हैं. So you can contact the incubation centers of the university. I think if you don't even belong to that university, you can still become a startup incubated by that university. That can also work. अगर आपकी university के पास नहीं है incubation center, you can still go to the incubation center of the other university. Parallel University has it. Then VSCIS, which is Vikram Sarabhai Chindal Center Innovation Center, that is also in Ahmedabad. They also have the same program. They give for pilot bills, they give for prototypes, the grants. So वहाँ पे भी आप application कर सकते हैं. They have websites. Website के through आप अपना form fill out करके अपने idea submit कर सकते हैं. And they also do a lot of competitions. तो competitions में भी आप participate करके उसमें भी competition में भी prize money is grant only. So you can participate in that as well. GUSEC, which is Gujarat University Startup Council, that is also in Gujarat University campus, which is in Ahmedabad. Their incubated startups, a lot of their startups have come in Shark Tank also, and they have got funded in Shark Tank also. So these are some local options that we see here. If you go to the next slide. I wasn't sure if we have students who are from this age group, from 10 onwards. So I've charted down a little bit about school students as well, like Inspire Manak, which is only for school students. That is also government body. SSIP is for the students. You have to be enrolled as a student. फिर आप SSIP के लिए apply कर सकते हैं. That is the only requirement. So किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूशन के SSIP सेल से आप ग्रांट के लिए रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं if you are enrolled as a student up until PhD. Nidhi Prayas is also one of the grant which is available, which is also open to non-students. Okay, it is not only for students, it is open to non-students also. There is age limit. Age limit, I think student की वजह से है 35 to 40 is the age limit where you can apply for these government grants. BIRAC, which is for biotechnology. AICTE, I think all the engineering colleges may hai. They have Idea Lab. I think we had visited the one which was in Anand. So they also have Idea Lab, and that also can serve as a incubation center. आप वहाँ से भी apply कर सकते हैं. And Startup India Seed Fund, that is also a government body. That is online application. आप online application कर सकते हैं. Through that also, it is open to all. There is no limit like student होना जरूरी नहीं है. So Startup India Seed Fund is something that you non-students also can apply for that. And if you go to the next slide, more information, I think. Yeah. PM Yuva Yojana is also for youth. So there is age limit, which is 16 to 35. Same is with Yukti, that is also with AICTE. So engineering colleges वाले इसके लिए भी apply कर सकते हैं. Yukti 2.0. Atal Tinkering Labs, which is usually for school students. And PM Yuva Yojana, which is online portal, which can be accessed. From there also you can apply for grants. So these are all the options which is like very close in your close vicinity. आपके आसपास ही है. So nothing that you need to worry about कि कहाँ जाएं, कहाँ से grants ले, कहाँ से apply करें. Lot of options for you to apply. Very interesting thing is Gujarat ranks number 2 in startup and innovation. Maximum number of innovations have happened last year from Gujarat. And very important thing is Gujarat supports a lot of innovation. मतलब हम स्कूल से भी जाते हैं. My students are from what 8th standard, 9th standard. They've also received grants which have been like 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs. So uh, ऐसा don't rethink if you have good idea. Just go for it, apply for grants. आपको प्रोटोटाइप बनाने के लिए भी grants मिलते हैं. अगर आपका आइडिया स्ट्रांग है, well researched है, well understood है, then nothing can stop you from receiving grants or funds in order to convert it to prototype. I think that's all I had on the grants. If you go to the next slide. Okay, this is a very basic summary of what we have looked at today. So, journey, how does an entrepreneur work? So, you have your idea, you check if it is really required, that innovation is really required, because आप अपना time, अपना money, अपना thought, सब कुछ invest करेंगे, and if it is not required by the user, there is no point in having that innovation or having that business venture. Very critical important is you define your USP, UVP, make a prototype, get feedback, आप अपनी team बनाइए, elevator pitch ready करिए, business plan ready करिए, look for grants. आपके see there are grants और उनके कुछ requirements है in order for you to submit. तो आपको थोड़ा बहुत अपना idea उसके हिसाब से change, idea in the sense your business plan has to be changed a little bit based on that. So understand where you want to apply, which grant you want to take and which grant is going to be benefited for your project. तो उसको समझ के आप apply करिए, and after that you launch the product. Once you launch the product, testing करके and then innovate. So that is your basic journey as an entrepreneur. And okay, so I think that is your basic journey. Can we go to the next slide? This is something, this is for you to think about it. We don't have to do it now. I just wanted to leave you on this thought. Like zero startup challenge. I know सबने बोला होगा आपके पास 2 लाख है, आपके पास 4 लाख है, तो आप क्या करोगे, क्या बनाओगे, and things like that. But what if you don't have anything, and you just have your brain, your phone, a notebook, a pencil, and your surroundings and your skills? So this is a zero startup challenge. Think about it. When you do this, it is going to help you understand your skills, your strengths. And from there, you will understand how resourceful you are. And वहाँ से आप अपना idea generation कर सकते हैं. It is not that every time you are going to require money to start your business. It just requires your idea, your thought process, and how you want to go about it. So this is for you to do. Please do it. This is a little brainstorming activity that I usually do with my children also. So it helps us understand कि हमारे skills क्या है, क्योंकि आपके skills और आपके strengths है, उसके हिसाब से ही आप अपना business idea develop कर पाओगे, जिसमें आपकी expertise है, उसके basis पे ही आप कर पाएंगे. So this is your something that you can analyze and understand. And I think we can go to the last slide probably. Okay, so this is just the gist of what we have talked about. From ideas to make an impact, use design thinking, build your MVP, which is your prototype, apply for grants, create a business model and apply for grants. And I think that's about it from my side. So just one thing I wanted to say is thank you for having me, IEEE Chirag sir. And I'm very grateful to have this opportunity to, share a little bit of experience and knowledge that I have. And I hope that added some value to your journey as an entrepreneur. And maybe it can help you find some direction in any which way possible. So thank you for having me. And I'm open to questions if you want to have any questions.
If anyone have any question, kindly use the Q&A tab at the tool to ask question.
Okay, so there's a question. If you have an idea, sorry, just popped out. Where do I see the questions, Prashant?
Prashant, can we look at the question, please?
Yeah, it did pop up and then it just went out.
Ma'am, go to that app drawer. In that, there's an option called tools
Okay, where's that option?
near my chat box.
Okay,
Meeting
Q&A.
tools.
Q&A.
Yes, ma'am. Q&A.
Okay, so if we have idea but not the expertise in the particular field, still we can work on the idea. Yes, you can bring the expert with you in the team who has the expertise of that field. As long as you understand the problem and as long as you resonate with the problem, you empathize with the problem and you know the solution. But if you don't have the expertise, you of course will form a team. So you can add that expert in your team as a co-founder or as CTO, CEO, somebody on the team. And yes, you can still pursue that idea. Gujarat Technological University has an incubation center. Was that the question? Yes, they do have an incubation center. But not the expertise in the we can still work on it. Okay, I think I've answered the questions that I see on the Q&A box. I think that's all the questions I had.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for a truly empowering and enriching session. Your insights, success stories, and practical frameworks have equipped our participants and real tools they can immediately apply on the startup journey. We are sincerely grateful for your time, effort, and inspiration you have shared with us today. To mark your valuable contribution, we are delighted to present you a virtual memento as a small token of appreciation from us at the Entrepreneurship Bootcamp.
Thank you
We
so
hope
much.
it serves as a reminder of the impact you have made on this community.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure. Thank you.
So before we wrap up, please take a moment to fill out the day 4 feedback form. The link is shared in the chat box and the QR will be displayed. Your feedback truly helps us improve our design better experiences for the future.
Prashant, I think we have a few questions.
I see a couple of questions.
So let's get to it.
Do student startups need to register the company before getting funded? No, need to. What if I have idea and I have MVP roadmap, but the MVP is very costly? What should we do? So for that MVP, you can still request for funds. They give you funds for building the prototype also. That might not be a lot of money, but they can give you like 25,000 is something that they have on the list for you to use for your prototype building. So that is something that they can give you. So for pilot build also they give money. They do. If we have an idea of business, is necessary to register first? No, not necessary. You can only register when you are ready to register the company, not necessarily now. So that can be done later on. What is the importance of a well-prepared synopsis report in the context of design thinking and innovation, particularly when seeking funding or investment for a project or startup. Okay, so the importance of having a well-prepared report is like, for if you are submitting it to the investor, it is there. It is very imperative for them to understand your conviction in the product or your conviction as a founder, and also your plan in order to execute that. If they believe in that, then only they are going to invest in the project or the startup. So a detailed report is something that is required, or that is very necessary for, with all the points like, revenue, return on investment, what amount of money you're going to require to run the business, for how long, when are you going to get your return back, things like that. Yes, it is very imperative and very required, for somebody who wants to invest in your business. I think that's it. I think that's all the questions I have.
Okay, then to all our participants, thank you for your consistent enthusiasm and energy throughout this 4-day journey. Your curiosity and commitment has truly made our event a success. So this may be the closing session of the bootcamp, but it's only the beginning of your entrepreneurial journey. Keep building, stay connected, and never stop innovating. So before you leave, I also encourage you all to stay connected with IEEE Gujarat section on Instagram, LinkedIn, and just search IEEE Gujarat section. You'll find updates on events, opportunities, and stories from the tech and startup world. So if you're not an IEEE member yet, this is your sign to join IEEE, be part of global network and engineers, innovators, and change makers. Visit IEEE.org or connect with us so that we can help you in joining. Thank you once again, and best wishes from the entire organizing team.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Jenny.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, guys, one small request. Kindly turn on your camera so that we can take one group photo. Once again.
Okay, even I would like to add something that thank you so much, ma'am. We had an amazing session and we really enjoyed. बहुत ज़्यादा I think participants को बहुत अच्छा लगा. In fact, the fun we really enjoyed. Thank you so much for your presence.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. My pleasure.
Prashant, you're on mute.
So thank you so much, guys, for joining us.
Bye, ma'am. Good evening.
Bye. Thank you,
Bye, everyone. Have a good evening.
Have the rest. Okay. Good evening.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.